Good morning, students. Class 8, Subject General Knowledge, Lesson 2, page number 6 and 7. Chapter name is Embroideries from Indian State. Before starting the chapters, I am going to explain about few hard words which is related from Lesson 2. First, varies means differ in size. Second word, identify. Identify means indicate who or what. Next is embroidery. Embroidery means the activity of decorating a piece of cloth. Next is chapter. Now question is that what is embroidery? Embroidery is the craft of decorating fabric or other materials using a needle to apply thread. In modern days, embroidery is usually seen on caps, hat, coat, blanket, dress, shirt, even though denim dresses also. Embroidery is available with a wide variety of thread, color. In this chapter, we will learn about Indian embroidery. First is Mukesh embroidery. That you can see on the screen. This is the Mukesh embroidery. It is famous in Uttar Pradesh. Next is Kasoti embroidery. Kasoti is done with single thread and involve counting of each thread on the cloth. In this design embroidery, first we will draw the pattern like this way and then start the work. Kasoti is famous from Karnataka. Katha. Katha embroidery. Katha is famous in West Bengal. It is also known as Dorkha, which means the design motifs are equally visible in both sides, so both sides are usable. Next is chikankari embroidery. It was introduced by Noor Jahan. You know about Noor Jahan, the wife of Jahangir. It involves the use of white and other colored thread on white muslin, fine cotton. This is the chikankari work. Chikankari is famous in Uttar Pradesh. Next is Ari embroidery. That you can see, this is the Ari work. It is famous from Andhra Pradesh. Next is Sindhi embroidery. Sindhi embroidery, famous from Gujarat. It is completely filled with interlacing. Next is Gota work embroidery. Gota work embroidery from Rajasthan. In Gota work, a small piece of jari ribbon are applied onto the fabric with the edge sewn down to create elaborate patterns. On the India map, you can see it is famous from Rajasthan. Next is Banjara embroidery. Banjara embroidery from Andhra Pradesh. Next is Chamba Rumal embroidery. Chamba Rumal embroidery, famous from Himachal Pradesh. Chamba is a place name of Himachal. It is an embroidered handicraft item of gift during marriages with detailed patterns in bright and pleasing color scheme. Next is Kashida embroidery. Kasida embroidery, famous from Jammu and Kashmir. Next is Fulkari embroidery. Fulkari embroidery, famous from Punjab. This is a very beautiful pattern. Next is Phool Patti embroidery. Phool Patti embroidery, famous in Uttar Pradesh. You can see this design in many occasions of festivals and other parties. Zardozi embroidery. In Zardozi embroidery, the thread consists of coiled metal wires placed on the right side of the fabric and caused with a thinner thread. In India map, you can see Zardozi is famous in Kashmir, Delhi, Lucknow, Bhopal, Mumbai and Chennai, but mainly is famous in Uttar Pradesh. Next is Toda embroidery. Toda embroidery from Tamil Nadu. Next, Peeply embroidery. Peeply embroidery famous from Orissa. In this brightly colored and patterned fabric piece are sewn together on a plain background, mostly velvet, along with mirror and lace work. That you can see. In this diagram you can see mirror work also, thread work also. Next, Shamilami embroidery. Shamilami embroidery famous from Manipuri. Now find out. Question is that what do Kuchi embroidery, which is related from Gujarat, Rabri embroidery, which is related from Rajasthan, and Shisha embroidery, which is related from Haryana, have in common? What is common in all these? So answer is Shisha or mirror work. Your chapter 2 is over.